chopping boards, one of the most used things in the kitchen, I reckon. Always chopping vegetables and fruit and God knows what else. So I'm going to be making one for my brother today, as his wife has asked me to make one for him for Christmas from herself. So that is what I'm going to be doing. We're going to be using a big slab of mahogany, which I've got right here. This is over 2.5 inches thick. And we're also going to add a bit of pine in between the mahogany, some slats, just to sort of give it a little bit of style. But anyway, this video is going to be a little different because I'm not going to be talking a whole load in the video. It's just going to be me making it and I'll talk at the end. So I hope you enjoy and let's get on with the build.
It's a cold December day and I have made the chopping board. As you see, there's lots of frost around me, but this chopping board come out amazing. The contrast between the pine and the mahogany just works so well together. And yeah, hopefully my brother will like it for his Christmas present. By the way, happy Christmas to everyone. This video has gone up on Christmas Day, so then he can watch how his Christmas present was made. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, check out the videos which are on the screen right now.